Hello students, in my last class I have explained the operation of sets, that is union of two sets and intersection of two sets. Union is A union B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B, and intersection is say set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. So, I have defined both these operations and also I have worked out problem on this. So, today we have to study other operations, that is difference of sets. What is this difference in set theory? See, first I will give the definition. Let if A and B are any two sets, then A minus B, this is called difference, A minus B is the set containing all those elements which belongs to A and does not belong to B. So, is the set of all is the set of all elements where x belongs to A and x does not belong to B. So, what is the meaning of A minus B? A minus B is the set of all elements where x is belonging to A and x is not belonging to B. So, let us write what is this A minus B. We will give this set theoretic notation. See, A minus B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to A and x does not belong to B. X does not belong to B. So, it is set of all x such that x belongs to A and x does not belong to B. Now, let us write this Venn diagram. See, let us consider this is the universal set. You take this is a set A and this is a set B. So, what is this A minus B? Let us consider what is A minus B. What is the meaning? All those elements which belongs to A but does not belong to B. ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಅದು ಬಿ ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಬಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಎ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಎ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟು ಬಿ, but according to the definition x should not belong to B. So this is A minus B. So what is this shaded portion? It is A minus B. So A minus B is the set of all elements where x is belonging to A and x is not belonging to B. Now similarly we can write B minus A. What is this B minus A? B minus A is set of all x such that x belongs to B and x does not belong to A. X belongs to B and x does not belong to A. So let us write the Venn diagram. See, we take, that is, we write set U. Now this is A and this is B. B minus A, see, this is B minus A. So what is this shaded portion? B minus A. So B minus A is the set of all elements, which belongs to A and does not belong to B, or set of all elements where x belongs to A and x does not belong to B, that is A minus B. What is B minus A? Set of all elements where x belongs to B and x does not belong to A. Now, write some example for this. Say let us take example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? Take this example. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is 2, 4, 6, 8. So, let us write what is A minus B. We write this. What is A minus B? All those elements which are present in A but does not belong to B. They are not present in B. See, here first better identify common elements. ಈಗ A minus B ಅಂದರೆ elements should be in A but ಅದು B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. So it is better ನೀವು A ಮತ್ತು B ಯ common elements ಅನ್ನು identify ಮಾಡಿ. So first you identify the common elements. See 2, then 4, then 6, 8 is not there. Therefore all these common elements are to be subtracted from A. Then 1, 3, 5. So what is A minus B? 1, 3, 5. And what is B minus A? B minus A. Once again, the common elements must be subtracted from B. So 2, 4, 6, they are common. So what is remaining? 8. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B minus A is equal to 8. So, while writing A minus B, it is a very easy technique. The common elements present in A and B must be subtracted from A. So, what is this A minus B? That is the common elements which are present in A and B must be subtracted from A. B minus A, the common elements present in A and B must be subtracted from the set B. Okay? Hope you have understood this idea. So, after this, let us discuss the complement of a set. That is always defined with respect to the universal set. So, let us learn complement of a set. Complement of a set. See, definition. Let U be the universal set. U be the universal set and A is a subset of U. Now, complement of A with respect to U is very simple, U minus A. So, complement of then the complement of A, then the complement of A is the set of all elements, is the set of all elements which belongs to U and does not belong to A. So, what do you mean by complement? See, it is very simple. Look here, that is, see, I am writing the complement of the set. Say this is U and A is a subset. A is a subset of U. The complement of U is all those elements which are present in U but does not belong to A, or but they are not present in A. So, which are those elements? See, these are the elements. This is complement. Generally, it is denoted by A complement. See, it is denoted as A dash, or we can also use this symbol A dash or A power C. But generally, we denote complement by A dash. That is, what is this A dash? A dash is actually U minus A. Okay, what is A dash? U minus A, or A dash is set of all x such that x belongs to U and x does not belong to A. Okay, set theoretically I can write what is this A complement? A complement is set of all x such that x is belonging to U and x is not belonging to A. So, complement of the set A is the set of all elements which belongs to U and does not belong to A. Okay, the elements which belongs to U and does not belong to A. So, you go to this in a Venn diagram. See, in the Venn diagram it is clear. This is A is a subset of U. What is A? Subset of U. Now, what is U minus A? All those elements which are in U but not in A. Andre A complement. See, this is A complement. Okay, A complement andre enu elements A alli irbardu. So, elli irbeku U alli irbeku. So, U minus A is the complement of A. Okay, so generally it is difference between two sets is different from this. In the case of difference between two sets A and B, elements which are in A but not in B. But whereas in the case of complement, it is defined with respect to the universal set U. Now, I will give you one example. See, write one example, that is let U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Find A complement. What is A complement? A complement is equal to U minus A. What is A complement? U minus A. That is generally the common elements. It is very simple, easy to understand. The common elements present in U and A must be subtracted from U. Nodi illi U minus A anta bardidene. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದರೆ ಯು ಮತ್ತು ಎ ಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕಾಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಯು ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ ಯುವಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ 1, 1, 3, ದೆನ್ 5, ದೆನ್ 7, ದೆನ್ 9. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Therefore, A complement is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Have you understood this? Hagadra, what is A complement? A complement is equal to U minus A. It is set of all x such that x is belonging to U and x is not belonging to A. Hope that this idea is clear to all. Okay? See, first problems. 1. If A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C, B minus D, C minus B, D minus B, C minus D, C minus D. So, let us write. See, first we write A minus B. Nodi, set A minus B. What is this A minus B? You look at A and B. Iga bariyuvaga A and B. A and B. Nodi, A is 3, 6, 9, 12. For your understanding, 18, 21. Minus 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So, identify the common elements. Illi 3, 6 illa, 4 illa, 8 illa, 12, Yes. Then 16 is not there. 20 is not there. Okay. So only 12 is common to A and B. So this is nothing but 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. So this is A minus B. Then similarly A minus C. Only in the beginning I am writing 1 or 2 steps. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ನಾವು ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಿತೇವೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ A minus B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ A ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ A ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ B ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ವಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ A and B ಫ್ರಮ್ A. ಈಗ A minus C. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ A minus C? A is equal to ನೋಡಿ 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. A minus C means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, then 16. Now identify the common elements. 2, 4 illa, 6. Next 12, 12. Nantara, no, other elements are not there. So it is 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. 15, 18, 21. Look at this. A minus C. ಏನು A minus C ಅಂದರೆ A ಮತ್ತು C ಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು A ಇಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಸೆಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ A and B ಫ್ರಮ್ A. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ A minus C. That is element numbers which are in A but they are not present in B. We can write A minus D. See, A minus D. Now write directly. A minus D. A minus D means the common elements only 15. Nodi 3, 6, 9 illa, 12 illa, 15 is there. Then 18, 21. So 15 to be subtracted. So what is A minus D? 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. So how do you write A minus D? First find out the common elements present in A and D. Then subtract it from A. Next we go to say B minus A. What is B minus A? Common elements present in A and B must be subtracted from B. Iga 4, 8, 12 is there, 16, 20. So subtract, this is 4, 8 and 4, 8, 16, 16, 20. 4, 8, 16, 20. Then similarly we can write C minus A. C minus A. Common elements present in A and C must be subtracted from what? C. Iga common element enu 1, that is 6. Then we have got 12. So 6 and 12 must be subtracted from C. Then remaining elements 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. Okay, C minus A. Next we can similarly write D minus A, B minus C. The remaining results you have to complete. Okay, remaining results in the same order, in the same method you have to find D minus A. What is D minus A? Common elements present in A and D must be subtracted from D. Okay, what is it? Common elements present in A and D must be subtracted from D. So you can similarly complete the remaining. I hope this idea is clear to all of you. So ಈಗ A minus B ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡೋದು? Actually A minus B means all those elements which belongs to A but they do not, which belongs to A but does not belong to B. So or the common elements present in A and B must be subtracted from A. Let us work on some more problems. Let U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and A equal to 2, 3. Then B is equal to 3, 4, 5. Find A complement, B complement, A complement intersection B complement. A complement union B complement. Hence, show that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. A union B complement, that is equal to, nodi, A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. First, let us write, see, A complement. What is A complement? U minus A. U minus A, 2, 3 must be subtracted. 1, 4, 5, 6. What is B complement? U minus B. What is B complement? U minus B. What is that U minus B? Common element present in U and B must be subtracted from U. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So, 1, 2, 6. Next we write A complement intersection B complement. It is 1, 6. We write A complement intersection B complement, that is 1, 6. Next we write A union B. What is A union B? A union B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what is this A union B complement? U minus A union B. So, subtract A union B from U, but U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that is 1, 6. So, take this as 2. Now, you compare equation 1 and 2. See, from 1 and 2, A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay? A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So, we have A complement is what? U minus A. What is B complement? U minus B. Okay? So, we have proved A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. I can also prove one more, verify one more. See, and see, first one, second one, A intersection B complement, A complement union B complement. I can verify this also. See, this is first. Now, I will write second. What is this A intersection B? See, I have got A complement union B. See, we have A complement B complement. What is A complement? 1, 4, 5, 6. B complement 1, 2, 6. A complement union B complement 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. A complement union B complement 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Next, we can write, see, take this as 1. We write A intersection B. What is A intersection B? 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. A intersection B is 3, correct? See, look at this. A is 2, 3, and what is B? 3, 4, 5. So, A intersection B 3. Now, let us write A intersection B complement. What is this A intersection B complement? That is U minus A intersection B. U minus A intersection B. Now, this is nothing but say U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 must be subtracted. So, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So, from 1 and 2, A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So, these are the two very important standard results which are called De Morgan's laws. See, A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, whereas A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. One more example, that is, let U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Then C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Find A complement, B complement, A intersection C complement, A intersection B complement, A intersection B complement. Then A complement, B minus C complement. So find out all these. Okay, find out all these. Now U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, first I am writing A complement. What is A complement? A complement means U minus A. What is U minus A? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Common elements present in A and U must be subtracted from U. ಅಂದರೆ U minus A ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಎರಡೂ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಮತ್ತು ಎ ಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಕಾಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು 1, 2, 3, 4 ಅದನ್ನು ಯುವಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then second one, B complement, U minus B. What is this U minus B? U 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. ಆಗ 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then we write A intersection C complement. First, for writing A intersection C complement, first what to do? You write A intersection C. ಏನು? What is A intersection C? A intersection C is 1, 2, 3, 4, C 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 4. This is A intersection C. So what is A intersection C complement? Complement means it is to be subtracted from U. So U minus A intersection C. What is U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3, 4 must be subtracted. Then 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are subtracting 3, 4 from this. Next we write this is A intersection C complement. Next A intersection B complement. So we write first A intersection B. What is A intersection B? A intersection B is 2 and 4. See, this is 2 and 4. What is that? A intersection B. Next write A intersection B complement. What is it? It is U minus A intersection B. ಏನು A intersection B complement? It is U minus A intersection B. Okay. ಈಗ what is A intersection B? 2, 4. You subtract 2, 4 from this. So what do you get? 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is A intersection B complement. Follow this. Next, the fifth one, that is for writing A complement. I wrote A complement. A complement is equal to U minus A. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ಈಗ A complement means U minus. See, always what is complement of A? U minus A. What is complement of A complement? U minus A complement. So it is U minus A dash. Okay. What is U? U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? That is A. So what is this complement of complement? That is the same set. So we have A complement to complement. Complement of A is A. Follow this. Next, finally we have C, B minus C complement. What to do? Write B minus C. What is B minus C? ಏನು B minus C andre? All those elements which are present in B but not present in C. So B minus C. In other words, common elements present in B and C must be subtracted from B. Illi common elements yavadu? Only 4 and 6. See, in B and C, 4, 6, 4, 6. So B minus C is equal to 2, 8. So what is B minus C complement? U minus B minus C. What is it? 2, 8. You subtract 2, 8. So then remaining 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So this is B minus C complement. Okay. So we have got B minus C complement, that is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So while finding this, once again, while finding A intersection C complement, first what you have to find? A intersection C. Then you can write A intersection C complement. Similarly, while finding A intersection B complement, first what you have to find? A intersection B. Andre A intersection B find out ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ A intersection B complement ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? U minus A intersection B. Similarly, ಈಗ B minus C complement ಬೇಕು. So first what you write? B minus C. Next you can write B minus C complement. Okay. I hope this idea is clear to all of you. I'll write one problem, you can solve it. If U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Then verify that 1. A union B complement. A complement intersection B complement. 2. A intersection B complement. A complement union B complement. So I am just leaving these results to you. Draw the Venn diagram. First, you have to draw the Venn diagram for A union B complement. A union B complement. Draw the Venn diagram for A union B complement. Say, first, let us write this is U, set A, set B, A union B, A union B. This is A union B. Now we have to write A union B complement. See, that is elements which are present in A. Say this is U, A, this is B. What is A union B complement? Nodi, this is A union B. Shaded portion is A union B. A union B complement. By definition, they are all elements present in U but do not present in A union B, but they are not present in A union B. So they are present in U. Nodi, they are present in U. they are present in U, but not present in, see, this is A union B. This is A union B. Second one, let us write A intersection, A complement intersection B complement. See, I am writing A complement. See, what is this A complement? This is U, this is A, and this is B. What is A complement? Elements which are present in U but not present in A. Okay? Elements which are present in U but not present in A. See, here A union B, this shaded portion you can find out because it includes all the elements of A and B. Whereas in this case A union B complement, by definition what is A union B complement? All those elements which are present in U but not present in A union B. So tell me, what is A complement? What is A complement? What is the definition? All those elements which are not present in A. A alli present illa but U alli ide. Iga illivarege nodi, this is A. Therefore we have to write it is not present in what? A. See, this is A complement. What is this? A complement. Next we can write, see, we can write B complement. Now this is U, this is A, this is B. Now I want B complement. What is B complement? B complement andrenu? Elements which are not belonging to B. Hagadre, they are elements which do not belong to B. Nodi, they do not belong to B. This is B complement. Look at this. What is A complement? A complement andrenu? A complement is all those elements which do not belong to A. B complement andre the elements which do not belong to B. ಈಗ ನಾವು A complement intersection B complement ಬರಿಬಹುದು. You can write or A complement intersection B complement. ನೋಡಿ, what is this? A complement intersection B complement. How do you write? That is, say, I think better I can write it here. This is A complement. Here I will write B complement. Then we can write together A complement intersection B complement. I will repeat this. Nodi, A complement andrenu? This is U, this is A, B. A complement. Then B complement. B complement. What is A complement intersection B complement? ಇದರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವುದು? A complement intersection B complement. ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? See, here this is, here also we have this, that is common. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಈ A ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So which is the common one? The common is that it is A union B complement. See, this is A, this is B. So U, now common intersection. Intersection is this area. What is that? That is this area. So this is A intersection, A complement intersection B complement. Okay. So I have just repeated this for finding this A complement intersection B complement. Next I will write A complement union B complement. ನಾನೀಗ A complement union B complement ಬರೀತೇನೆ. See, because I have already repeated that. Now, A complement union B complement. I will write this first. See, let us write this is A, U, A, B. What is A complement? A complement is all those elements which are not present in A. Next we go to C, B complement. This is A, B, B complement. This is U. Now let us write A complement this is A, B, U. I want A complement union B complement. What is that? A complement union B complement. ಏನದು A complement union B complement andre what is it? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, anyhow this outside area is there, the outside shaded portion is there. ನಂತರ what else we have to write? Union ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ portion ಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕು. Therefore this is A complement union B complement. So first write ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ you write A union B. ಏನು A union B ಅಂದ್ರೆ see this is 2, then this is 3, then I will write A intersection B complement. I will write this. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ first A, this is B, this is U, A intersection B. What is this? A intersection B. Now I want to find A intersection B complement. Nodi, this is U, A, B. I want A intersection B complement. What is that A intersection B complement? It is U minus A intersection B. Hagadre this entire result will be there. See, this is U A intersection B complement. So first I have drawn, located the this A union B complement. I have just drawn this. I have just represented A union B complement by using this Venn diagram. So first write A union B. Next write A union B complement. Okay, A union B complement. Next we write A intersection B. So A intersection B complement. Then write A complement intersection B complement. So first write A complement. Then write B complement. A complement intersection. Next write A complement and B complement. Repeat it. Then write A complement union B complement. Now from this figure Venn diagram you can clearly understand that, see, these two are equal, isn't it? These two are equal. A complement union B complement is the same as A intersection B complement. Similarly from this same Venn diagram, see, A union B complement and these are equal, correct? So A intersection B, A complement intersection B complement is equal to A union B complement. Okay, I hope this idea is clear. So you must be able to say, draw this Venn diagram for all these A complement, B complement, A union B complement and A intersection B complement.